We got out the research telescope, looked 10 to 15 years into the future. What will the next generation of a potentially large group of car buyers want their vehicles to do? So based on what we've discovered, we came up with a concept that explores the packaging and design potential for a vehicle conceived exclusively around the city lifestyle. What you're looking at is pnut, personal neo-urban transport. And I think it's kind of designed for downtown, the urban area, hence the name. Tight spaces, you want this little kind of smaller car, but yet safe and secure. And you want to be able to maneuver throughout the city traffic really easily, but still be able to take a couple friends with you, hence the 3 seats. You might be wondering how this runs. The modular rear engine bay depicted on the exterior by the blue composite material is designed to accommodate a wide variety of potential propulsion technologies, including a conventional small displacement internal combustion engine, a hybrid gasoline electric powertrain, or a battery electric powertrain. I think that the demographic for us is it's lifestyle. It's not really you're this old to have this, because I drive it. When you get in it, it feels great. It's like, wow, this is like a jet fighter. So I think it's totally just a lifestyle. There's no age limit.
If you consider Motoring TV's been on the air for 30+ years, there's no doubt you've missed a few episodes. Well, there's a couple of ways you can catch up and make sure you don't miss anything. First, you can go to YouTube and look up just segments or complete shows. Also, if you want to know what we're doing, like today on a daily basis, just go to our Facebook page. And also, you can go to motoringtvshop.com, get some cool swag. Oh, there's also that Instagram.